Hi everyone, welcome to Total Integrative Oriental Medicine. I will give you tips and tricks on how to stay healthy. Today, what I'm going to tell you is sleep better by doing this. Easy to follow tips and tricks. Sleep is more important than what we consider it to be a waste of time. When time is up, we go to bed and try to fall asleep by simply closing our eyes, even though our mind is alert. Tossing and turning is a sign that we can't sleep. Reading a book or listening to music until we feel actually sleepy is recommended when we can fall asleep in 15-30 minutes instead of being anxious to sleep with our eyes and mind wide open. So guys, people recommend that you read a book or listen to music if you cannot sleep in 15-30 minutes. Many times this doesn't work, so we gotta find other ways to fall asleep. Our body starts to secrete melatonin when daylight slowly diminishes. This is how we get some help with falling asleep. What do you do before you go to bed? The answer would be looking at a smartphone or a monitor. Don't tell me I'm the only one doing this, including myself. Many of us, we look at a smartphone, we look at the laptop before we go to bed, like at least 10 minutes, at most 1 2 hours. As a result of allowing light to enter into our eyes, our melatonin won't rise as much as our body needs to have a good night's sleep. Turn off your smartphone and or computer to improve your sleep. If you can sleep in 15 to 30 minutes, read a book, listen to the music so you can feel sleepy. If it doesn't work, we don't want you to look at your smartphone or laptop before you go to bed. Simply turn it off. I hope this video helped you sleep better. Have a good night's sleep everyone. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time.